Welcome back to the Omni Calculator channel. I'm Alvaro and today we're talking about the weighted average calculator. In just 90 seconds I will tell you everything you need to know about it, so let's get to it. As always, I will just answer 4 quick questions in just 90 seconds, a minute and a half that starts now. So you're probably familiar with the simple average where we take a collection of numbers, you sum them all up together and divide by the number of items. That gives you the average value. But this assumes that all the numbers in your collection carry the same importance, have the same worth, or the same meaning, the same weight, however you want to say it. And in real life, sometimes different items carry different values, so we need the weighted average. And instead of summing up all the numbers just willy-nilly, we need to first multiply them by their weight, their worth codified as a numerical value. One such example of a situation where you want to do this is calculating your average grade, because not all assignments in a subject and not all tests are worth the same. Sometimes they are worth different. And even not all subjects carry the same value towards your final grade, because some have more credit value and some have less. So when you want to calculate your average grade for the course or the subject, you need to take their weight into account. And you can do this by hand, obviously, but we have a calculator already made, so why go through the effort? Let's take a look at an example using the Spanish grading system from 10 to 0, which is the one I used in my childhood. So let's say I got grades 9, 5 and 7 in 3 different subjects, and if they were all worth the same, this would be my average. But the subjects were 12 credits for the first one, 2 credits for the second one, and 6 credits for the last one. So the average is slightly different. And the time is up just perfectly. Shut up. We managed to explain why the weighted average is such a useful tool for many people. And if you're interested in this particular example, we have a better calculator called the average grade calculator, and I left you a link in the video description. If you want to keep watching more videos and using more of our tools, here is my recommendation and here's YouTube's recommendation. What's your favorite one? And I will see you there. Bye!